By clicking on simply this plus icon, we can attach MongoDB, Postgres, or whatever database you want to attach, right? Or you can attach this simple memory. Now, if I ask the same question which I asked in the previous one to this AI agent, it will start responding to me, right? It will start memorizing. My name, nice to meet you, Imtiaz. Now, if I ask, what is my name? Your name is Imtiaz. Now we have attached and memory to this AI agent. It start memorizing the things. In the next video, let's understand how we can attach a tool to an AI agent.